completely different. I mean, everyone's talking about the war templating onto 2013, 2017, and I think we have to be aware of the different participants we have. And the big one, of course, which we all know, is institutions. And so we have to account for that. And I think that's what we're seeing right now. You know, institutions as a menagerie. You've got the Michael Saylors and the Teslas, which are corporate treasuries that are stacking. But then you've got, you know, the Ruffers of this world. They're really macro funds that are they're using Bitcoin as part of their portfolio, and they're going to take profits. And we've just run into this March period, end of quarter, and you can see the steep drop as we approach into it. So my guess, looking at that, is that we've got this end of quarter rebalancing, bearing in mind if they got in from the last quarter, they've done effectively a 6x, a 3x to a 6x, depending on where you entered. So if you're a macro fund, you probably want to rebalance. You probably have directives to rebalance because they will probably have to sell their winners to buy more losers. And you see that with the whale balances, that is definitely dropping. But you see the next tier down, the dolphins and the sharks, which is 100 to 1,000 bitcoins in their wallets. That's growing to take it up. And so if you sum the two together, you get this chart, and it shows that this entire cohort, whether the whales becoming dolphins or sharks or whatever, and the guys underneath them, overall there's an accumulation, and that is still continuing to climb. We only really have a really hard 1 year of bear market, and then we start the bull phase. We typically have 3 years of bullishness to 1 year of bearishness. The first part of the bull run is the accumulation bottom, which can last 6 months, 3 months, even 9 months. Then you have the early phase, which is it sort of pumps up, gets everyone excited, and then that sort of dies down a bit, and then there's a reaccumulation, and then you have, I call the main bull phase, usually played out in 1 year. 2017 was the last one, 2013 was the one before that, 2021 is the main bull phase of the bull market. So that final explosive bull run, the 1 year out of the 3 years of bullishness is happening now, like the crazy bullishness where grandma's going to tell me to buy Bitcoin by the end of it.